Many of us struggle with common skin issues like clogged pores, acne, and dullness, which can make us feel self-conscious and insecure about our appearance. These problems often stem from poor skincare habits, environmental factors, and even genetics. As a result, our skin can look tired, worn out, and lack that natural glow. When pores are clogged, dirt and impurities can settle deep within the skin, causing breakouts and inflammation. Acne can lead to scarring and hyperpigmentation, making it even harder to achieve flawless skin. And let's not forget about the dullness that can come with age, pollution, and poor diet. It's no wonder we're always on the lookout for an effective solution to tackle these concerns. Clogged pores, acne, and dullness can all be interconnected, making it a challenge to find a product that addresses all these issues simultaneously. But what if I told you there's a natural ingredient that has been proven to combat these problems and leave your skin looking smoother, brighter, and more radiant? Enter pure green tea extract, a powerhouse ingredient that has been used for centuries for its incredible skincare benefits. So, what makes pure green tea extract so special? For starters, it's packed with antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting the skin from environmental stressors. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe and calm irritated skin, reducing the appearance of redness and acne. And get this, it's even been shown to improve skin elasticity and firmness, giving the skin a more youthful, plump appearance. One of the amazing things about pure green tea extract is its ability to deeply cleanse the skin, drawing out impurities and toxins that can clog pores and cause breakouts. By incorporating it into a poreless deep clean mask, you can experience a profound level of cleansing that leaves your skin feeling refreshed, renewed, and revitalized. And the best part? It's gentle enough for all skin types, making it an ideal solution for even the most sensitive skin. Now let's get to the fun part, applying the mask. To get the best results, start by cleansing your skin thoroughly and pat it dry with a towel. Then, apply a thin layer of the pure green tea extract mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Relax for 10 to 15 minutes, letting the mask work its magic. When you rinse it off, be sure to massage your face gently to help stimulate blood flow and lymphatic drainage. And don't forget to moisturize after. Your skin will thank you. I have to say, after using this mask for a week straight, I was blown away by the results. My skin looked clearer, smoother, and more radiant than ever before. The pores on my nose and forehead were practically invisible, and my complexion had a newfound glow. It was as if my skin had been rejuvenated from the inside out. In conclusion, using a pure green tea extract poreless deep clean mask can be a game changer for achieving flawless skin. With its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, it can help combat clogged pores, acne, and dullness, leaving your skin looking healthier, brighter, and more radiant. If you've tried this mask or have any other favorite skincare secrets, be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more skincare tips, tricks, and product reviews. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more in-depth skincare content.